boom, shakalaka laka, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. It's about to be a what? Food fight. Hey!
Hi Wheesearchers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Hayden Robinson from Hayden Robinson Beauty, and you should definitely just go ahead before we even get started, subscribe, hit us up with a like, turn on those post notifications because you know what, they are so important. As many of you know, Thanksgiving is coming up and we are so excited to be celebrating Thanksgiving with all of you. So my favorite dish at Thanksgiving is always the pumpkin pie, because I have a little story. It's really quick, but my aunt, the last time I spent time with her, she asked me, she said, what do you want for Thanksgiving? And I said I wanted pumpkin pie. And then she was too busy cooking other things and she didn't get to my pumpkin pie. And so she woke up really early the next morning and made me 2 pumpkin pies, and it was so sweet, and I literally thought that was like the sweetest thing ever. And that was actually the last time I saw her before she passed away. So like my last memory with my aunt is her making me 2 pumpkin pies because she knows how much I love them. So today I'm going to be creating a pumpkin pie inspired little look for you, just to pay an homage to my aunt and to celebrate Thanksgiving. Gorgeous. And here we have the finished Thanksgiving pumpkin pie homage to my aunt look. That is my favorite Thanksgiving food look all done. I added some lashes. They are the Sephora Vivacious Lash number 34, literally my favorite lash. And I added the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout because it's a nice warm nude, perfect for fall. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. Don't at me. Alright, well, you guys should definitely like this video, give it a big subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time that we upload a brand new video. We upload literally all the time, so you definitely want to check us out, and if you want to check me out, all my socials will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye!
Hey Wheesearchers, before we get back to the other creators food fight challenge, we want to let you know that you can enter in the products that you use on our website. All you have to do is go to www.wheesearch.com, create a We For Me profile, and start giving your opinion on the products you use, like Hayden is doing right now. And entering in a opinion only takes about 30 seconds. So what are you waiting for? Go over to www.wheesearch.com and start entering in your opinions now.
Hey everybody! My favorite food during Thanksgiving is cranberry sauce because I feel like it is such a different taste from everything else on the plate. What we're gonna do for lips is take a purpley base, and I'm gonna take this Morphe color in, what's it called? Bewitched, which was part of the Molten Magic lip collection. Thank you Wheesearch for having me review that, by the way. It was a great introduction to Morphe lip products. So this is my cranberry sauce inspired look for Thanksgiving, this food fight look, if you will. The goal was to really make these purple red colors pop. So yes, blue, neutral blue does work, I guess, for a Thanksgiving dinner in this context. But I have put on blush for this look before. I used Cabana Boy by The Bomb, and it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. But in order to make it pop, I thought it would be better to make this look without. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch more of the Wheesearch videos. Actually, right after this one, I suggest you watch Jay's review of the Cherry Naked palette because they have a lot of colors that can contribute to something like this. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys.
What's up, Wheesearchers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jay Iziah from the channel Jay Iziah. So in this video, we are going to be doing a food fight challenge, and this is inspired by Thanksgiving. So basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to tell you about my favorite Thanksgiving foods. There's two of them. There's two of my favorites. I'm going to tell you why. And then I'm going to create an entire makeup look that is inspired behind it. Now, I do already have my base and brows on because, you see that part? We're about to just do the eyeshadow. So, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is kind of one of my favorite holidays because it's really family oriented. A lot of family members get together. I know my mom always hosts Thanksgiving at her house, and this year, sadly, I cannot make it. But next year, trust me, I will be on that guest list eating that food. Alright, my two favorite Thanksgiving foods, and these just remind me of home. They take me back home. They're comfort foods. Is one, baked mac and cheese. I cannot get enough of it. The cheesiness, who doesn't like macaroni and cheese? When I was younger, my mom would always allow me to sit in the kitchen and watch her cook Thanksgiving meals or big family meals, and she would always have in that oven baked mac and cheese. And ever since then, I learned the recipes. I know how to make it myself, but it's nothing like your mom's. So that's gonna be one of my items. And then the other food that I just absolutely love during Thanksgiving is stuffing, but not just any stuffing, cornbread stuffing. Now, if you're a fan of cornbread and you have not had cornbread stuffing yet, you're missing out. You need to get on top of that. Instead of using bread stuffing, you use cornbread and you put celery and chicken broth and all the other stuff, bake it in the oven, and I promise you, it is bomb. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get into it. Come on. Here's the final look. So I was inspired, like I said, by macaroni and cheese and cornbread stuffing, which the two colors that immediately popped into my head were yellow and brown, because stuffing is brown and macaroni and cheese is yellow. So I wanted to do a very nice yellow into brown gradient, kind of a sunset-ish kind of look without the purples and all that. But the Box of Crayons palette, I've been trying and trying and trying to use this palette and give it justice because it had so much hype. But the yellow, patchy, went away, not pigmented, and ugh. Thank you so much for watching this video, our Thanksgiving food fight challenge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and turn on our post notifications so you never miss a video from Wheesearch. Also, don't forget to sign up, make a We For Me profile, enter in your preferences, your sensitivities, and start finding makeup that works for you. Once again, I'm Jay Iziah from the channel Jay Iziah. All of my social media is in the description below, and we will see you next time. Bye!